Welcome to CompanyIQ, brought to you by MyLogic. Today, we'll be learning how to use the two smart search features, Smart Peers and Smart Forms. To begin, make sure to turn on the Create Smart Peers button. Add a company by clicking on the company box and type in the company name, CIQ or ticker. Once you select a company, the Smart Peers window will appear. The company's disclosed peers will appear in the first degree tab. To add companies to your search criteria, select the square icon beside them. To add all companies, click Select All. The second degree tab allows you to add peers company of peers. You might also add peer company by SASB sector, market cap, and revenue. In the SASB sector and market cap, you can adjust the slide bar to a specific market cap between 0 to 200%. You can also adjust the slide bar to a specific revenue range in the SASB sector and revenue tab. Once you have finished selecting companies, you might click on Apply and Close to add the companies to your search criteria. You might also save the list of companies as New Peer List by clicking on Review and Save, naming your list, and click on the Save button. There is also a second way to save the companies as peer list. If you have a custom company list created without the Smart Peers feature, you can use Save Companies as Peer List button to save it as a peer list. This button appears to the right of the screen in the Search Criteria panel. Further down the screen, you'll find the second Smart Search feature, which is the Smart Forms. To use this feature, click on the Smart Forms button. The Smart Form Filters window will open. To select a filter, simply click on it. You can filter by form type, form itemization, notes to financial, exhibits, and contracts. When finished, simply close the window. On the right of the screen, you can view the selected search criteria and reset if needed. When finished, click on the orange Go button and you'll be navigated to the results page. Thank you for watching another of MyLogic's tutorial. To view more, please select one of the following videos.